psychologist and a holistic healer. Today I'm here to tell you a technique called Emotional Empowerment Technique. In short, it is EET. How do you use this EET, or when do you use this EET is when you're emotionally disturbed and any pain or illness or whatsoever. During all these states, any pain or any disturbance, emotional disturbance, you can use this technique. How do you do this technique? I'll let you know the methods step by step. First thing that you do is you have to focus on the problem in your body or mind. Example, any pain or any anger that you have to focus on. And second step, you have to get in touch with your thoughts and emotions associated with that pain or any complaint. Example, if you have an headache, if headache is reminding you about feeling upset or any following argument has got you an headache, so get in touch with that thoughts and emotions associated with that thought. And next step that you are going to do is you have to give this emotions or a thought or a pain a number on the scale of 0 to 10. 0 being the least intensity, 10 being the maximum intensity or severity of the pain or a problem. Next thing that you're going to do is make an affirmation. How do you make an affirmation? By telling, even though I have this problem or I have whatever it is. If I am having an headache, how do I make an affirmation? Even though I have this headache, still I choose to heal and integrate, love and accept that part of me. This is how you make an affirmation. Next, you have to say this affirmation 3 times loudly, emphasizing while gently rubbing or tapping at your karate chop. This is a karate chop point. So like this, you have to tap and say the affirmation 3 times. I will do it 1 time. That is, even though I have this headache, still I choose to heal and integrate and love and accept that part of me. Like this you are going to tell, or you have to rub it and tell. That is, even though I have this headache, still I choose to heal and integrate and love and accept that part of me. This is how you are going to tell the affirmation and tap the point. And the next step that you are going to do is you have to gently rub the thymus point. Thymus point is this point between the chest bone. You have a thymus point. So you have to place both the palms in the thymus point and you have to gently rub it clockwise. While doing it, you have to breathe in and breathe out. How do you do it? 7 times you have to count it, like breathe in and breathe out. So 7 times you're going to follow this after doing an affirmation. After all this 7 rounds of breath, you have to reassess the pain. You have to check how much is your pain on the scale of 0 to 10. If the problem is relieved totally, that means you are done with that 1 set of EET. Then if the problem is relieved partially, there is still on the scale of 1 to 10, if your problem is 5, then you have to start one more round of EET, that is Emotional Empowerment Technique. If there is no change at all, then you're probably holding on to your complaint or a problem. In such a situation, you have to do EET by saying, even though I am holding on to this headache, still I choose to heal and integrate and love and accept that part of me. This is how you include an affirmation, and you have to continue the affirmation. In this affirmation, you can include everything and anything that you are going or facing with. Either it might be emotional problem or any physical problem or anything that thought which is popping up. You can do this 1 round of EET and check again, reassess. If the problem is come to the scale 0, then you can leave it there. If it is the intensity is reducing little by little, when you're doing the second round, you have to slightly You have to slightly tell the affirmation in a different version, that is, even though I have very little headache. This is how you're going to go with the affirmation. You have to make little or a slight changes in your second and third round. That means you will have to check again for your emotions in the second round and third round. If at the one round of EET the pain is completely relieved, you're good to go. This is how you practice emotional empowerment technique. Thank you.
Mani Padme Hum, Mani Padme Hum, Om Mani Padme Hum.